Okay, so you both have to represent all the instrument and give me the detail of all the instrument. I have to question you one by one, and you have to tell me the detail of every instrument in this laboratory.
Okay.
What is the name of your laboratory?
Biotechnology and microbial lab.
Okay. What you have to done in microbiology lab?
We did the experiment like culture media. We
Yes.
did extraction of DNA from a plant.
Okay. You have to,
And
the
so
culture
on.
media is a part of microbiology. We have to calculate the microbes in that microbial terms. And the biotechnology, we have to separate our DNA and biomolecules from the repeated samples. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me about the magnetic stirrer, you, Muskan.
Okay, ma'am. So magnetic stirrer with hot plate is an instrument that is used for heating and continuous stirring of solution that is used a magnetic bead.
Okay, right. Horizontal electrophoresis, you have to tell me.
Okay, so this is horizontal electrophoresis.
Okay.
So it is used for the separation of DNA while it's based on its size by using electric current through the use of agarose gel.
Okay. So how the size of particle move from where to where? We have to use two types of electrode, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to represent the electrode by positive or negative charge.
Yeah.
So how the DNA particles move from where? Cathode or anode?
Small
Yeah.
particles move
Faster than
faster
the
than
large
the-
particles.
I just ask you the which size they have to move, negative or positive,
Maybe positive.
according to charge of negative
Opposite,
opposite
charge.
charge की तरफ move करेगा,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
Okay, we have to move from the next.
Okay.
This is hot
Hot
plate.
plate.
Anyone?
Okay, so hot plate is an instrument that is used for heating solutions and media preparation.
Okay. Water bath. I want a principle of water bath, not
Okay.
a procedure.
Okay, so this is a rectangular water bath. So the water bath principle work on the heat is transferred through conduction. Basically, heat is transferred from hot water to the sample so that the temperature reaches to the optimal way or uniform way.
Okay. Digital turbidity meter.
Okay.
Why we have to use the turbidity meter?
Okay, so digital turbidity meter is used for measurement of turbidity or cloudiness of any sample that indicate microbial growth or suspended particles.
Nice. This is a very microscope, of course.
Okay, so this is microscope. This is one of the most important laboratory instrument we use. So it is used to observe the microorganism or like cell or tissues which we can't see by our naked eyes. So it is very important to use in laboratory.
Can you define just a name of the part we in the microscope?
Okay.
Yes.
We can use this.
Yes, of course.
So this is eyepiece.
Major. I want just a major part which we have to compulsion to use in microscope.
Lens.
Or
Lens or adjuster. जिसे हम adjust
this
करते
is called
हैं.
as calibrator.
Calibrator.
Okay. Calibrator we have to use for the
For adjustment.
adjustment. Mechanical agitator. You have
Okay,
to.
so mechanical agitator is an instrument that is used for continuous mixing of liquid samples that and culture media to ensure uniform temperature
Uniform distribution of nutrients.
nutrient particles.
So that the nutrients we have to
will
provide the above bacteria or the
Distribution.
microorganism, so they have to uniformly.
Distribute the nutrient
Okay.
particles.
Okay. Incubator.
Autoclave.
First, you have to tell me the incubator.
Okay, so this is incubator.
This is a normal incubator.
Yeah.
We have two incubator in our
Yeah,
lab.
BOD and the second one is normal incubator. So it is used to provide optimal environment to the bacteria so that they can grow easily. And it works at the 37 degrees Celsius because as you told us, so it needed normal human body temperature. So
that
It
can
work-
easily grow and under 24 hours it can grow easily.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is about autoclave. Tell me anyone about the autoclave.
So this is autoclave. It is used. Sorry, it work on the principle of moist heat sterilization of culture media, glassware, and surgical instruments.
Not glassware. Glassware we have to use the hot air oven.
मैम ऑटोक्लेव में हम वही तो रखते हैं कॉनिकल फ्लास्क जैसे कि हमने
We have to use media and conical flask.
ओके
That is a
Okay,
difference.
okay.
It's not about that, but that is a different. We have to sterilize media and that, and the glassware after washing with the water, sterile water, we have to place this in the hot air
Hot,
incubator.
okay.
So the hot air, it's very. What does the tell? हॉट एयर मतलब कि वो गर्म आवाज
Dry
से
heat, kind of
ड्राई
dry
एयर की
heat
प्रिंसिपल पे
establishment.
वर्क करता है एंड इट्स वर्क ऑन
Moist
मॉइस्ट
heat
हीट प्रिंसिपल ओके
Okay, and its work at the 121 degree Celsius temperature and 15 psi. And while we are using it, we have to take some precautions, like we have to close it, like it properly closed, and we should not be overloaded it. So
Very good. This is a mandatory to recognize or tell someone so about the autoclave because we have to not use a precaution while using autoclave. It will be mobast. Okay.
yeah.
So very good. I am impressed with you. Nice representation. All the best for today's inspection. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.